there are some churches which allocated themselves church stands within sporting facilities. Vasina authority from council vakamunovakawo vakavaka muchi magrounds evana. So at times munonzwa kuti kanzuru takuleka tuma officer kuti vanodemolish. Achisi zvinotorwadzawo chaizvo kwachechi building because munonza ndokuluza mungo unoita makomborero. But mutembo zvakaro kuti chechi inokwana kunge chitero chi mutembo wenyika naye. So yes, that is what we are trying to do. We want to resuscitate sporting grounds that had been allocated for other uses. Today we signed Cricket Zimbabwe kama makambonzwa noise cricket ground rekudakambura. We signed an agreement with Cricket Zimbabwe today, and we gave them a few years to make sure that they start development a cricket ground. We are going to renovate our Sakuba swimming pool. Next year, our target is Chikanga sports field, and we are also targeting to do the same thing Jatenda Maisamba ground. We want to do Yangamvura Bay, ground there, and also repair my tennis courts and the basketball courts as our way of fighting drug abuse as a local authority. But at the same time, we are also targeting more drugs. We are also targeting those and demolishing at the same time. Thank you very much.